Hey guys, it's been a while since I've obviously made my last videos. Ran into a problem with my Honda Civic with the cruise control. It's been working really intermittently, and for some reason now it's just decided to pack up entirely. So what I've been doing is I've taken the bottom part of the steering column apart and had a look underneath, and it looks like we found what the problem was. So it's this clutch switch here, which, if you look at the clutch, you'll have two switches. You'll have this one here, which engages when you push the clutch all the way down, and you'll have this one here, which is the culprit, because I've tested for the continuity and just doesn't have anything. So what happens is this one will fit into this section here and engages when the clutch is in its full position, which will then allow you to activate the cruise control. So if you ever have this problem, you can check the continuity using the contacts involved, just using a standard multimeter. A lot of times it might just need adjusting because the pin's not reaching all the way in. I've tried that, but if you look on this one here, it's worn so far down, and I'm assuming that's just general wear and tear from the clutch. So maybe that's just not reaching inside the switch enough, and it's not creating a full circuit. So off to Honda we go to get that, and hope that should sort all these issues out. So if anyone else is having this issue, that's your first go-to. Alright, if you need to know how to take all this section apart, check out my other video with how to install the radio, where I cover how to remove all this section here. Thanks guys.